thinking how much time we have now to complete the Varna. So we go for the second Tanike of the Anupallavi. It is again talking about the Lord, that Naika is saying, Tigari Sangendum Senkai Tingal Rajagopala. So, who is he? The one who holds the Tigari
Chakra
and Shankha. Who holds Shankha and Chakra?
Vishnu.
Vishnu. Tingal Sangendu Senkai. Senkai is the palm, which is normally the color of the palm when you have 14 hemoglobin, it's red.
Right.
And it's not a red, but it's that coral, in the sea you have that coral leaves, coral parvada as we call. Coral, that color. So, in that lotus, normally the shape of the hand is like lotus. And this palm, he is holding Shankha and Chakra, that Rajagopala. So, here it is Vishnu and also Krishna. Rajagopala, Bhuvagopala, Rajagopala, these are all the names. So, in this line, we have choreographed Vishnu and Krishna both. So, Tigari, Tigari Sangendu Senkai Tingal So why back? Krishna, let's see which one looks good. 2, 3. Rajagopa. When you stand, you must join your feet together. When? Have you seen Krishna's photograph in a painting or in a sculpture? Normally it is this. So when you look Tigari swastika. Tigari Sangendu Senkai Tingal Tigari Sangendu sing kai tingara jago alalai tigari 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 sangendu sing kai tingara jaraja raja Rajago, Rajago, so now Tigari we don't do plain Tigari. With Tai Tai. 1, 2, 3. Tigari. Tigari. Sangendu sing kai now do dit tai. Now Krishna is holding his stick, right? So you do dit tai tai, dit tai, dit tai, then dit all 4 directions, front, this side, back and this side. Tai and no, not to take back, and then tai and then right leg in the front diagonal, and so Rajago alalai Tigari sangendu. Sorry, I think just do Tigari 1, 2, 3. Tigari sangendu. Why are you wasting one beat in there? 2, 3. Tigari sangendu. Sing. That goes too long, huh? Okay, so you're holding Shankha, na? So let's take the Shankha as it is blown. And sit in Arimundi with that right leg. Can you take it up? A little diagonal. Diagonal. So, please join all your fingers together. It should be very clear. The palms, this palm and this palm, they are crossing. The little finger is separated. Join it. And this thumb is here in the center. This palm is joined to the palm. Thumb in the center. Shankha and Chakra. Chakra is very powerful and very beautiful. So you must know.
तो पाम दिखेगी?
पाम नहीं दिखेगी, पाम दिखानी नहीं है, पाम की सेंटर में संगेंदु से कई गरा जगो Tigar. Follow? Let's do both together. The first and the second. Tigari sangendu se kai tingara jago Tigari sangendu se kai tingara jago The palms will rotate. Only this much, not much. It is straight. Palm is stuck to the palm. Instead of closing the fingers, now we are opening. And then slight movements. Tigari sange. Tigari swastika. Tigari sange. Sange front. Sange du sing kai tigara. What do you want, Rajgopal now? Huh? One hand. Tigar Raj go pa al re Raj go pa Rajago like the Kalya stage. Ting to Tigari sangendu sing kai. Come forward. Tingara jago or tahi this is not Shiv Ram. And what is the feet? Which leg?
Right.
Or if you can do one leg, then we can shift to that. Rajago 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 no then there is no double thing. Rajagopal live up
No.
No, okay, then the other one. 2, 3. Rajagopal Tigari Sange Do Senkai No Hari Senkai Kara Jago the last one. Tigari Sangendu. Tigari Sangendu, there is not many variations that one would want to do. So Tigari, don't have many doubts on it. Your face looks all the time doubtful today. I don't know why. Why
I'm
you are-
remembering.
What are you remembering? What movie you saw last night? Then what are you remembering? You can wipe your hands. You have a napkin?
Two.
Tigari Sangendu Senkai Tigari Sangendu Senkai The fourth one.
Fourth one बाकी.
Fourth one एक सीखा है.
Tigari
Sangendu Senkai Tigaraj. Now, who was Krishna? What did he do? Something very important. In Mahabharata, he did lots of things, but one thing which is like universal that he did.
उपदेश.
उपदेश?
उपदेश जो अर्जुन को दिया था.
कब दिया था?
महाभारत के.
महाभारत तो बहुत लंबा
मतलब
कब
वो
दिया?
लड़ाई के समय.
कौन सा युद्ध था वो? महाभारत का युद्ध था. महाभारत, क्या बात. सो उसमें कहाँ उपदेश दिया था? वो क्या थे? बैठ के दिया था उपदेश?
नहीं, रथ में दिया.
क्यों रथ में दिया था? घूमने गए तो उपदेश दिया?
नहीं, उन्होंने अर्जुन को अपना वो ये शंख और चक्रों वाला जो रूप है.
विराट स्वरूप दिखाया, वो उपदेश कहाँ आया उसमें?
उस टाइम उपदेश दिया.
उस टाइम उपदेश दिया था विराट स्वरूप.
भी नहीं देखा.
टीवी का सीरियल रामायण महाभारत, क्या बात, क्या बात है, बढ़िया. एमए डांस,
नहीं मतलब
नहीं मतलब, हाँ मतलब बहुत सारे पिक्चर के भी गाने आ चुके हैं. गीता का ज्ञान, तो गीता किसने कहाँ बोला, कब बोला, क्यों बोला?
जब अर्जुन मना करता है कि वो अपने भाई बंधु जो सामने खड़े वो सारे उसके अपने
तो कब मना करता है? वही तो बात है. फिर से कौन से युद्ध में? और कृष्ण क्या थे?
सारथी. अर्जुन के सारथी थे.
हाँ.
उसमें
तो हम यहाँ ये राजगोपाल को गीता में अर्जुन को जो कृष्ण ने महाभारत के युद्ध में, अब आपको ढूंढना होगा कौन सा युद्ध है, इसका भी नाम है. महाभारत का युद्ध नहीं कह सकते, हाँ। तो वो सारथी बने उसके, और उसको ज्ञान दिया, जो सुना और वो प्रणाम किया कृष्ण। सो राजगोपाल रे, तो क्या होगा? राजगोपाल रे, इति ग, 2 3 राज, ऐसे नहीं करो, 2 3 राजगोपाल रे, इति गति, समझ आया? 2 3 गति संगेंदु से कई राजगोपाल रे, इति गति। समझ में आया? All 4. We'll do it together, each one twice.
No, one minute.
Digri, digri, sange do se kai kati karaj gopaal rai, digri sange do se kai राजगोपाल रे। Last one. संगेंदु से राजगोपाल रे, संगेंदु से कई राजगो, no, start jumping. राजगो that's all. Rajago, stand properly. Rajago Rajago Digri sangendu sing kai राजगो आल रही गति संगेंदु से कई राजगो आल रही गति कई तींगरा जगो आल रही तिगरी संगे दो से कई तींगरा जगो आल रही तिगरी संगे दो से कई तींगरा जगो आल रही तिगरी संगे दो से कई तींगरा जगो आल रही तिगरी संगे दो से कई तींगरा जगो आल रही तिगरी संगे दो से कई तींगरा जगो तिगरी संगे दो से कई तींगरा जगो Okay? You want to do that Tirvana now? Okay. Alright, any questions here? In this whole throughout your face is very kind of question, as if you're not following anything or you're not sure what is happening.
No, I'm sure.
You are sure, but the body speaks different. You tired?
No.
You're not tired. You are sure. Still the face looks doubtful.
I'm not doubtful. I'm trying to remembering all these things.
You cannot remember when you are learning something. You have to remember afterwards. If you start remembering now, you will mess up even this. So don't do that. Sure. Namaskar. You want to do it once more?
Yes.
Okay. Rajagopal aladai igari sangendo senkai tingara jago aladai igari संगेंदु से कई तींगरा जगो आल रही तिगरी संगेंदु से कई तींगरा जगो आल रही तिगरी संगेंदु से कई तींगरा जगो आल रही तिगरी संगेंदु से कई तींगरा संगेंदु मूसेंकै तिंगरा जगो आरधै तिगरी संगेंदु मूसेंकै राजगो आलदै तिगरी संगे मूसेंकै तिंगरा जगो आलदै तिगरी संगेंदु मूसेंकै तिंगरा जगो आलदै तिगरी संगेंदु मूसेंकै राजगो आलदै तिगरी संगे मूसेंकै Namaste. Ahora gusta que tadi ni atau.
नमस्ते दीदी।
Namaste. Our teachers always say, whenever you do namaskar with your body and your mind and your body, you are here. And you are here. Only when you take your namaskar, then you are out of here. But today you are not, now you are not here. I don't know where you will go. Am I right? All right. It happens. It can happen to everybody. No. Sure.
नमस्ते
Namaskar.
दीदी।
Namaskar.